beautiful booksters. Today I'll teach you how to draw a cat. Okay? You can make this drawing and give it to someone, your aunt or your uncle or someone else who loves cats. You can give this drawing to them and they're going to be really happy, or just for fun for yourself. Okay, now let's get started! First, we're drawing the head of the cat, and I'm using a lens cap because it is a circular thing. You can just use any circular thing like a water bottle, a vase, or a coaster, something like that. Okay, and I'm putting my finger on the lens cap so it won't move. If you don't do that, then it'll just go bad circle. So I'm just holding it with one finger and tracing it all around the lens cap. Now I'm gonna erase the extra lines that I did on my circle. Now I'm gonna get erasing. Now I'm perfecting the circle. Make sure it's not so rough and bumpy. Make sure it's nice and straight. Now I'm gonna draw the cat's ears. Make sure they're not so pointy, but a little pointy. I'm drawing 2 triangles out and 2 little triangles inside for the cat's inside ear. Now I'm drawing 2 large eyes on the cat's head. And I'm going to draw 2 little circles inside the big circle. I'm drawing the 2 little circles to show the reflection on the cat's eyes. Now I'm going to draw 3 little eyelashes outside of the eyes for the cat. Now I'm going to draw the cat's nose. For my cat's nose, I'm going to do a heart-shaped nose. You can do a heart-shaped nose or just a triangular nose, but you can just do any nose you like. Then I'm going to draw 2 umbrella holders for the cat's mouth. Then I'm going to do 3 lines for the cat's whiskers, but you can do how many you like. Now we're going to draw the cat's body. It's hard to explain in words, but you can watch the video to follow along. Then we're going to draw the cat's tail. I'm doing my cat's tail fat and long to make it cute and make sure it's round so it can look realistic. You're gonna draw 2 little lines on the foot for the claws. Collar on my cat's neck, and I'm drawing a bell on the bottom of it. You don't have to do the collar if you don't want to. And then I'm going to draw lines on the tip of the tail and the tip of the feet to remind me not to color those spaces, and also the tummy because I'm going to leave those spaces white. Now our cat picture is done, but I want to add a few more things like a bowl of food for our cats to eat. also want to draw an owner's leg walking towards the cat. Yay! We're done drawing, guys! You did it! Now let's get outlining. We're gonna use a Sharpie for outlining. I used a pen and it was not good. So I recommend that you should use a Sharpie. The last step is to color. Your hand might get tired while you're coloring, so you might need to take some breaks like me. You might need to get some really arm stretches when you're done this thing. Here. Okay, and I colored my cat orange and white, and I left the tip of the tail white, the socks and the belly white. But you can do your whole cat white, it'll look nice. Or you can just do any color you like. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please share this video with your friends and your family. I really hope they like it too. And don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more animal drawings, I post videos about reading, arts and crafts, science experiments, and how to do stuff, and how to teach people, and other fun stuff. Love you guys so much. See you guys next time. Bye.